Hello, I'm Kim Nguyen, Director of Marketing at Speakeasy Company. We are here today to discuss the power of email marketing. By the time this video is complete, I would like for you to know how to build an audience, drive engagement with them, and then ultimately increase your brand's key goals through email. Before we dive into some of these key strategies, let's first highlight where digital can support brick and mortar. For example, on the top left, new to market. This applies to both new brands and new SKUs for established brands. As a supplier, you are entirely removed from the end consumer transaction in a bar, restaurant, or liquor store. All you have is your bottle and label on the shelf or name on the menu, which is really not enough real estate to educate your customers on what makes your products unique. It's pretty clear that you can't just sit back, produce amazing juice, and expect your brand to grow. So you need to be thinking about marketing, and in particular, digital marketing. Outside of the alcohol industry, brands invest heavily online, which brings me to email marketing. We can distill down the levels of consumer engagement into three major categories: discovery, engagement, and conversion. So why should you consider email marketing as part of your digital ecosystem? Well, first, you can contact your customers in real time. Have a sale going on? Send an email. Have an event scheduled? Send them an email. Second, you can achieve truly measurable results that give you key insights into your fan base. Are people interested in a new product launch? Check to see how many people opened your last email and clicked to your product page. Third, it's an affordable way to distribute messaging that is highly targeted. It can maximize the dollars that you spent to drive traffic to your site to ensure that you can get back in front of these visitors. They were interested enough to give you your email address, why not email them? Finally, almost everyone uses email. All right, let's dive in. Brand awareness is at the tippity top of any consumer buyer funnel, getting customers, even subconsciously, familiar with your brand and products. In the world of email, building your email subscription list is the key goal in generating tangible results for brand awareness and discovery. You first want to set up your business on an email marketing platform. Here are a few that we consistently see integrated on the Speakeasy platform. If you don't have one in place, we recommend MailChimp to start, as they have a free plan for up to 2,000 subscribers. And eventually, we would like you to graduate to Klaviyo, which has more robust capabilities in automation and workflows. Once you've set up your email marketing platform, your next step is to drive traffic to sign up for your newsletter. There are so many ways to leverage potential customers and brand loyal fans to subscribe. This slide is just a short list of ideas of channels to consider. To name a few, if you have a tasting room, you can have a sign-up sheet. On your social media pages, you can link directly to your email newsletter subscription page. And then if you're at an event, you can hand out business cards or coasters with a QR code link that goes directly to the email subscription page. But as a consumer yourself, you don't just give away your email to any business silly-willy. It's actually important to incentivize your audience to share their contact information by offering something in return. Common incentives are complimentary shipping, because nothing in this world is free, or a percentage off a customer's first purchase, exclusive priority access to limited time products, or future discounts at the tasting room. So where should people sign up anyway? On your website, it typically lives as an embedded form in either the footer or contact page. I also encourage implementing a subscription pop-up after the user passes your site's age gate or at the age gate itself. Now that you've succeeded in capturing your email addresses, the next step is to keep engaging with them. The first email engagement typically is a welcome email to your newest subscribers. This can be easily set up as an automated email that is triggered immediately after subscribing. Be sure to include any special promo codes or links to exclusive products in this email if it was promised as an incentive for signing up. This is also an opportunity to educate your new subscribers about your brand, the history and process behind the product, and then tell them why you're unique and special. Typically, this educational content is set up as a welcome series that is automated over the course of a few weeks. Next, Develop an email communications cadence to continually engage your audience with valuable updates and content related to your brand. This can include new product releases, promotions, LTOs, market expansions, events, or even fresh cocktail recipes. The timing and cadence of your email marketing ultimately is up to you, but it's recommended to start with at least a monthly email to keep your brand top of mind. Also keep in mind that over-emailing also has its negative effects, so I would recommend sending no more than one email per week. Nothing is more important in the digital world than analytics. Your brand should be set up with Google Analytics in order to understand how users are interacting with your site. It's free and provides you with so much valuable information. And more specifically, Google Analytics tracks the source that drove users to your website. It's crucial to leverage UTM parameters at the end of your email links to define your email traffic within Google Analytics. Without these parameters, your email traffic could be mislabeled as direct traffic in Google Analytics. If tracked properly, you will be able to see how your email subscribers interact with your site after they click a link in your email, like the pages that they viewed, how much time they spent on each page, where they exited, and whether they completed a purchase. All right, so you've built an audience, you've familiarized them with your brand, so the next natural step is to convert. In the e-commerce world, the point of conversions is sales. So here are some email tactics to drive those conversions. First, we would recommend recovering your abandoned carts. The average abandoned cart rate is greater than 68% in most e-commerce stores. Recapture these users through email. Most e-commerce stores will natively integrate with an email marketing solution to send the data that you need to automate this process. I also recommend providing an incentive here to increase the likelihood of conversion. Acquiring a customer is probably the hardest, most expensive part of any buyer journey. Make sure to remind your existing customers to come back to restock. You can do this by automating a win-back campaign by sending a reminder email to repurchase after a defined period of time, whether that's 6 months or 3 months. Finally, we recommend that you surprise and delight your customers. For example, you can segment your email list to your highest value customers and reward them with a surprise like merchandise or a discount. You can also run a mystery sale, run a promotion that is exclusive to your email audience. Not only will this make them feel special, but it also increases the likelihood of retention. These are just a few ideas, so use your creativity to keep delighting your fan base. The digital ecosystem is quite vast, and email marketing is definitely a cornerstone. If you'd like to start selling your spirits online to reach a wider national audience, our team at Speakeasy Company can help. We handle the technology, warehousing, and fulfillment of an e-commerce store, so you can start selling direct to consumer while staying 3-tier compliant. We also offer digital marketing services to drive traffic to your brand's site using our industry knowledge to help scale your business. See how we can help grow your business at speakeasyco.com. Thank you for joining me today.